concepts and techniques related to the water conservation. Can anyone tell what are the recent measures or recent techniques, or you can say the approaches which are being used to conserve the water resource? Anyone?
Sir, your voice is not very clear, sir.
My voice is not clear.
So I think mic problem.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check the mic. Is it clear or still it is lagging?
Sir, not very clear, sir.
Okay, okay,
Sir, we are getting some kind of echo, sir.
okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello.
It's
Yes,
clear
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir,
it's
you are
perfect.
audible.
Perfect.
हाँ तो बोला करो बेटा, हम तुम लोगों से बार बार इतना देर से कह रहे हैं हेलो हेलो, फिर भी कोई बोल नहीं रहा। So I
Sir,
was
इधर
discussing that now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
can anyone tell what are the recent approaches or techniques which are being implemented to conserve the water resources?
For drip system,
Drip system.
for irrigation, sir.
Okay. थोड़ा तेजी से, मतलब जल्दी जल्दी, be quick. Anyone else? Anyone else? I have uploaded 3 PDF.
Sir,
I
so
think you have
it's-
got it. Tell.
Sir, soak pit, sir.
Soak pit is not. Soak pit, never use the soak pit word. Soak pit is used in the case of toilet. This word should not be used.
Sir, actually, I don't know in English, sir, that one actually. A kind of we dug the ground and we pour some sand and some concrete.
That
along with some
is the
granite.
trench. You can say the trench that is there. There is a filter, trenching, other thing. What are the other
Yes.
approaches to the conservation of the water resources? Namami Gange is the project, a national natural resource management program. Under that, the Namami Gange mission you have listened, Namami Gange.
Yes, sir. They are
Have you
cleaning
listened
the
Namami
Ganges.
Gange or not? Ista, you are trying to tell something?
Sir, I was saying yes. I was saying yes. I've heard about it.
Namami Gange project is there, which is related to the conservation of river Ganga and other major rivers which are being conserved, or the conservation is being attempted under the different types of the projects. And the recent advancement are techniques which are related to the water conservation, that is the construction of recharge wells, construction of the rooftop rainwater harvesting, construction of the recharge shaft, then in the rural areas, check dams, gabion structures, all that is, they are part of the techniques related to the water conservation. As far as the forest conservation is concerned, if you recall that apart from the plantation or afforestation, number of techniques which have been evolved. One is the major important techniques, that is called joint management forest group. Formation of the joint management forest group, or JMF in the you can say the abbreviated form. We call it JMF. JMF, joint management forest. What is the concept behind it? Behind joint management forest? That is related to the, you can say, the concept related to the ownership. Earlier, what was happening, that government tried to evacuate all the people who were living in the forest area, but later on they realized that it is not also helping us to protect the forest resource, because the people who are living in the forest area, if they are using the forest up to some extent, not they are not selling, they are consuming the woods and other things, the forest products for their own survival, that is better than the evacuation of the people from the forest area, because how many watchmen and forest guards and manpower will be deployed. So therefore, the concept of joint management forest was developed, and it was implemented by the government of India, that the people who are living in that area, they should be given privilege. They can use the product of the forest, but they cannot commercialize it, and they will protect the forest. On this basis of this objective, or you can say the approach, this mission was, or still it is being, it is successful. As I mentioned in the beginning, in the case of the major environmental challenges in the previous class, I mentioned categorically that since India is also under tropical country, and tropical forests are the major source for the forest and major contributor rather, out of 30% forest in the world, it is 15% forest is related to the tropical forest. So therefore, if you look towards that, India has to maintain the forest, because forest is a very good sink for the CO2. And the techniques which are related to the forest conservation, they pertain towards the concept of the joint management forest. I will upload this PDF of the, which consists the different type of approach related to the conservation of the forest. So let me discuss in brief certain issues related to the natural resource management program run by the country, and before that let me share one PPT, and then I will be discussing that screen. The PPT मुझे शेयर करने दो थोड़ा, और मैं एक वो करता हूँ आपको. आप लोगों को जो मिल गया है ना, जो पीछे अपलोड किया है 3 PDF, हैव यू रिसीव्ड इट?
No, sir.
क्यों?
No, sir.
नहीं, आपको तो अपलोड किया हुआ है, यहाँ दिखा भी रहा है, आप उसको खोलेंगे तभी तो मिलेगा.
नहीं, sir.
No, sir, not uploaded, sir. Not uploaded, sir.
So one photo is there.
I have uploaded already. It is shown here on the MS Team.
So only syllabus.
No, not only syllabus. Apart from the syllabus, day before yesterday, I have uploaded the environmental challenges, the text related to the environmental challenges, and the one PDF related to the natural resource management. 3 PDFs have been uploaded. You have not received it.
Sir, sorry, sir, we don't find it, sir.
Sir, in
If
that
you
We not
search,
file
then
received,
you will
sir.
find. If you don't search, you will not find.
sir, we searched, but it is not
Sir,
in
we
the file
searched it, sir,
section.
but
आपने कहाँ पे सर्च किया है?
Sir, in file section.
अरे जहाँ पे आप सिलेबस देखे थे
हाँ सर,
उसी
वहीं
के
पे
नीचे
देखा।
देखिए.
सर नहीं है।
Sir, it is not there.
ओके, अभी
Yes, sir, it is not there in the file section.
काम करता हूँ आपको फिर से दोबारा. लेट मी पहले यहाँ टीच करने पढ़ाने दीजिए, फिर मैं अभी 5 मिनट के जब रह जाएगा तब आपको करेंगे, है ना. ओके. I think its screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the concept of integrated wasteland development project, I am discussing with the topic related to the natural resource management program. Under that topic, I am discussing with this PPT, and PPT was it was given the assignment to previous year student of environment and climate change, and they have prepared. Many groups have prepared. I have made the groups of 4 and 5 students, and they had prepared and they presented before us during the assignment. तो प्रेजेंट भी किया था और आपको मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. They had prepared integrated watershed development, wasteland development project. It is also one scheme under the natural resource management, you can say, program, because wasteland is also a great challenge, as I discussed you through the soil degradation in the major environmental challenges. If you recall back properly, soil degradation was discussed in the previous class, and soil degradation leads to the formation of the wasteland, which is the major problem in the country also and in the world. It was launched by the Ministry of Rural Development for the regeneration of the degraded non-forest land through people participation. There is a concept of triple P. Is there anybody can say about what is the triple P? Anyone is having any idea related to the triple P? Anyone? Public private partnership, triple P. Each scheme of the government will be successful if this model is adopted. People participation approach. Objective of the scheme is aimed at an integrated wasteland waste management on village micro watershed form. Means if the soil is degraded, if you have to maintain it, we have to see the proper plantation, proper allocation of the water bodies, proper construction of the renovation of the water bodies in and around the area, so that the soil degradation does not occur. Then the second program, major activities can be taken, major activities can be taken soil and moisture conservation measures under this integrated wasteland development program, planting and sowing of multi-purpose trees, encouraging natural regeneration, promotion of agroforestry. What do you mean by agroforestry and horticulture? Anyone? Agroforestry and horticulture. हमारी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what do we mean by the agroforestry and horticulture?
So we can say the art of breeding plants.
Speak loudly.
Sir,
Bolo.
yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, I am saying horticulture can we say as the art of sustainable production and development of plants.
Horticulture.
Yes, sir.
Horticulture is not related to the fruits.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between
Vegetables
agriculture and horticulture?
it can be related to what?
Agriculture and horticulture में क्या difference है? What is the difference between these two?
Okay, yes, sir. I got it. So horticulture is according to food and agriculture is for all. Okay.
Fruits, not food. Fruits.
Yes, fruit only. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So agriculture forestry means the forest cover has to be increased with the agriculture, the routine or the natural agriculture जो common practices हैं agriculture की उसके साथ आजकल आपने देखा होगा schemes are being launched by the government of India, by the forest department, that farmers can grow the medicinal plants can on the bunds of their agriculture field. So government is promoting this scheme, giving incentive as well as the medicinal plants free of cost, so that क्योंकि ये मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स की जो है आयुर्वेद में मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स जो हैं जो कोविड के लिए भी कोरोना वायरस के उसके केस में बहुत उपयोगी रहे हैं। अभी तक जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष ने आपने देखा काढ़ा पीने के लिए, और जो आप सभी जानते होंगे इस पीरियड में कोविड के समय में कि कैसे बहुत सारे जो हमारे इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन है उसमें आयुर्वेदा जिसको आप कहते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स का जिक्र, जैसे कोई बता सकता है एक आध प्लांट मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स में जो आप बहुत कॉमन है और जिसको आपने यूज किया होगा या नहीं यूज किया होगा तो सुना जरूर होगा? तुलसी, एलोवेरा काढ़ा में कोविड में कोरोना में एलोवेरा तो बहुत नहीं यूज हुआ, तुलसी यूज हुआ होगा। गिलोय जिसको गुरुच भी कहते हैं, गिलोय भी कहते हैं, तो गिलोय का काफी उपयोग हुआ है, तुलसी भी का उपयोग हुआ है। तो ऑल दीज मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स they are the government is now promoting very fast to the farmers and villagers to plant it on the bunds of their agriculture farmland. Then the encouraging people's participation, again that is I discussed that, and then this is the Namami Gange, as I discussed you, Namami Gange, cleaning of river Ganga under these projects and developments of the ghats along the river Ganga. Then Namami Gange programs, what are the major components? Sewerage treatment infrastructures, river surface cleaning, afforestation. अभी आपने सुना होगा या देखा होगा कि प्लांटेशन की स्कीम्स बहुत तेजी से चल रही है रिवर गंगा के जो बैंक हैं, any major rivers, government, state governments and government of India, they are promoting and asking state governments to accelerate this program. The plantation along the river, any river at the banks, river bank. Riverfront development, that is also a case, because the aim is that river should not be polluted. If river front is developed, people can walk along it, but they should not create any type of garbage. Industrial effluent monitoring, it is a challenge, because you know that sewer and industrial effluents, they are the major source for the pollution of river Ganga or any river, industrial effluents as well as the sewer. Public awareness, it is also important. So it is basic things related to that, but I am discussing the different type of programs, national resource management programs. Then the umbrella program for natural resource management, UPNRM, umbrella program for natural resource management. इसमें partner कौन से? National Bank for Agriculture, NABARD, and Rural Development, and German Development Bank. These two banks have provided the financial support to the government as well as the state government for umbrella program for natural resource management. Umbrella program means एक ही project के अंतर्गत soil, water, forest, all these resources have to be conserved at a one place. Means हम एक एक करके नहीं करेंगे, हम एक ही साथ together we will take up it. That is the umbrella program for the natural resource management. Then the this is the objective to create lively opportunity, increase from farm income, the farm development where the cattle are there, and then the forest area is there, then soil is land is degraded. So if you reclaim the land, it will develop the forest cover, and forest will be sustainable, made sustainable if you are taking care of the soil degradation, and then the cattle and other things will also be healthy. Means the animal husbandry जिसको आप कहते हैं, horticulture, agriculture, animal husbandry, all these should be you can say strengthened. Activities covered under NRMP means National Resource Management Program: soil and water conservation, plantation and horticulture, forestry, farming system and management. What do you mean by the farming system and management? What the changes should occur or is being taken place under this? Anyone? Farming systems and management. Anyone?
Sir, it can mean that the modern ways, that modern techniques that are being introduced in agriculture field and the storage of grains and all.
Speak loudly. You may speak loudly. Whatever you want to convey.
Sir, it can mean that farming system and management can mean that it can include modern techniques of irrigation and planting seeds and storage of seeds.
Modern technique like?
Like sir, a sprinkler system is used nowadays for irrigation. Earlier it
Very
was
good. Drip and sprinkler methods. Okay. Farming system में कई changes होने चाहिए. Right from the seed, then seed and irrigation, and then even the fertilizer. Farming system is very in our country. It needs the reforms, active reforms, accelerated reforms. There is a need in the farming system of our country. Why? Because still the agriculture practices is based on the traditional system of the irrigation, traditional system of the using the fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. Still, because organic farming, देखिए organic farming पे गवर्नमेंट बहुत बढ़ावा दे रही है. It is also natural resource management program के अंतर्गत है organic farming. Organic farming means organic fertilizers we will be using under the agriculture sectors, and then certainly the animal husbandry will be also strengthened because the waste of the animals will be used as a compost for the organic farmings. And then the chemical fertilizers को reduce करना है. We have to drastically reduce the use of the chemical fertilizers. And then the irrigation system में, as one of your colleague told that the implementation of the drip and sprinkler method to save the water. Then in the seed, अभी न्यूज़पेपर में आज या कल मैं पढ़ रहा था, yesterday I was going through the newspaper. In that some center means some scientists have developed seeds of the wheat, such a variety that they will not consume the fertilizers, neither fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, nor much water, very less water. During the you can say the culture development for the seed, at the time of the seed culture or seed origin or seed formation itself, the nutrition has been given at the seed level कि वही seed अगर आप लगाते हैं तो बाद में आपको खाद की जरूरत है, chemical fertilizers is not needed, and it requires minimum water. So this is the change at the farming system and management. Then climate change adoption, it is a very important aspect. any natural resource management program, because जैसे ही नेचुरल रिसोर्स की बात आप करते हैं, चाहे वाटर हो, सॉयल हो, फॉरेस्ट हो, कुछ भी हो, नेचुरल रिसोर्स, इसका क्लाइमेट चेंज पे कितना असर है, क्लाइमेट चेंज का कितना इम्पैक्ट है, what are the different type of the impacts of the climate change on each type of resource. Suppose that I take the example of the forest resource, or you can say the water resource. What do you mean by the impact of the climate change? क्या impact हो सकता है?
Rise in the temperature.
हाँ जी,
Rise in the temperature, sir.
आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं सुन रहा हूं मैं आपको, बताइए, रिपीट करिए.
Sir, rise in the temperature.
Rise in the temperature. No, my point is slightly different, Harshita. I am asking that what are the impacts of the climate change on the natural resource, that you are telling that it is a factor related to the climate change, global warming or rise in the temperature. Okay, but
Sir.
I am
Yes.
asking the impact of the climate change on the natural resource like water. Suppose that water क्या effect है, and why we have to adopt it?
सर डिहाइड्रेशन होता है बहुत ज्यादा.
हैं?
डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल.
Why? वाटर रिसोर्स पे क्या इम्पैक्ट है? अभी तो आप प्लांट की बात कर रहे हैं, हमने पूछा है वाटर रिसोर्स पे.
सर वेपराइजेशन बढ़ जाता है. वेपराइजेशन.
वेरी गुड. वेपराइजेशन बढ़ जाता है जिससे कि कमी हो जाती है पानी की. और कुछ?
melting of glaciers.
Glaciers are melting.
या वो भी असर डालता है, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि
एंड सर वाटर का
रिजुवेनेशन
BOD
है.
लेवल.
हाँ जी, बोलो
सर वाटर का जो होता है एक BOD लेवल होता है जो कि उसमें रहने वाले फिशेस वगैरह के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, इवन फॉर द वाटर इकोसिस्टम.
तो क्या हो जाता
BOD
है?
लेवल दे आर आल्सो बीइंग.
पूरा टर्म क्या है, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या है BOD का? BOD मींस
Biological oxygen demand.
very good. Biochemical oxygen demand. And if suppose that DO is increased in the water, what will be the relationship between the BOD and DO, dissolved oxygen and BOD? क्या होगा relationship? Whether it is inversely proportional or it is proportional to each other?
So it is inversely proportional.
Pardon?
It is inversely proportional. So
Gagan?
more the BOD, yes sir. The more the BOD, the more harmful it would be.
So what will be the DO? If BOD is more in, suppose that any water, DO will be more or less?
DO will be less, sir.
The
Huh?
DO will be more.
DO will be less. Very good. It is inversely proportional to each other because the oxygen which has been consumed to decompose the waste in the present in the water, so therefore the oxygen, dissolved oxygen will be less. Okay, so certainly you are correct that. और क्या होगा? BOD तो अलग बात है, वो तो क्वालिटी की बात आ गई. क्वांटिटेटिव प्रॉब्लम क्या होंगी? एक तो ये है कि इवेपोरेशनल लॉस विल बी हायर, देयरफॉर द रिसोर्सेज विल बी लेस on the surface, and other things.
Sir, if water gets evaporated,
Aquatic life system.
Okay.
Sir,
और
if
forest में क्या होगा?
Sir, if water gets evaporated, the agricultural land might turn into drought, resulting a drought.
Very good, very good. Soil moisture loss will be there, then certainly it is a major challenge. Yes, you are very much correct. If the soil moisture will be diminished or declined very drastically due to the operational loss or rise in the temperature of the soil, then certainly it is a major problem. And it will not only affect the nature of the soil, it will affect the sustainability of the crops and the production, yield. That, yes, और क्या है? फॉरेस्ट में क्या होगा? फॉरेस्ट में
forest fires.
क्या असर पड़ेगा?
Forest fires may happen.
Forest fire. Oh, और कुछ और
So the change
it
in
would
the
lead
habitats of the animals living in the forest.
वो तो सब ठीक है,
sir, due to rise in temperature, some vegetation might get extinct, which would not be able to survive in that much temperature.
ओके। सॉइल में क्या इफेक्ट होगा क्लाइमेट का, क्लाइमेट चेंज? व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट्स ऑन द सॉइल ऑफ द क्लाइमेट चेंज? ओके
Sir, climate change can bring about acid rains, which may lead to loss in fertility of soil.
Very good, very good. Number one. Number two, I have already told you about the dryness of the soil. One of your colleague told that drought may occur. So all these will affect the soil. Nutrients of the soil may also be lost or less. Let us discuss certain areas which are related to the natural resource management program, not directly but indirectly. Processing and marketing, renewable energy, livelihood activities, microfinance, other supporting activities that help NRM. नेशनल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम को जो हेल्प कर रहे हैं, पहले से 4 बुलेट्स हैं, एक 5वां बुलेट नहीं है। 5वां बुलेट में तो लिख दिया अदर सपोर्टिंग एक्टिविटीज विच आर नॉट नेम्ड हियर, बट प्रोसेसिंग एंड मार्केटिंग एन एग्जाम्पल भी दिया हुआ है। इन आवर कंट्री इट इज लैकिंग, actually we have to strengthen this area if you want to maintain the natural resource management program or all the program, if you want to make it sustainable being for the implementation in the country, simultaneously we have to strengthen the processing and marketing of the vegetables, fruits, gum, honey, all the products in horticulture area and agriculture area, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ प्रोसेसिंग एंड मार्केटिंग बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। स्टोरेज, प्रोसेसिंग एंड मार्केटिंग। द फार्मर्स प्रोड्यूसेस देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स, हॉर्टिकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड दे वेट फॉर इट्स मार्केट्स and sometimes they lost their products due to the rough weather condition and other things. बहुत लॉस हो जाता है उनका, पता चला वेट कर, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर इट्स मार्केट एंड बीइंग सोल्ड। जैसे पैडी को ही ले लीजिए, दे वेट दैट गवर्नमेंट विल प्रोक्योर इट, और जब टाइम आता है तो पता चला तब तक या तो उनको नीड है पैसे की, तुरंत मिडिल मैन को बेच दिया, या सड़ गया, बारिश हो गई सड़ गया, स्टोरेज नहीं है प्रॉपर। सो दिस इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया and very important you can say the need for our country. We have to strengthen renewable energy. Yes, still we are talking much about the biogas, biofuel, solar plants, etc., but we have to accelerate the development of this renewable energy, although government is taking very much care and very much you can say the interest at each level, at community level, individual level, government level, implementation of all this, but still we are lagging behind. Agri-allied activities and this livelihood activities जो हैं, इसको भी हमको करना चाहिए, handicrafts वगैरह पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, जिससे कि how they are related to the natural resource management. Anyone? How these points, bullet 1 to 1st, 2nd, 3rd, how they are, or 4th, how they are related to the natural resource management? क्या संबंध है इनका इससे?
Sir, if we will use
Sir,
solar
like
energy for
biofuel.
electricity purpose, then water resources will be used less. So it
Actually
will.
जो भी बोल रहे हैं थोड़ा तेज बोल लो बेटा, है ना?
Sir, if we
हाँ,
will
बोलो।
use solar energy in to gain for electricity, then we will minimize the use of water, which will help in the resource management, natural resource
Very good,
management.
very good. और कुछ एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा दिया इस्ता ने. Ista has given a very right and a very appropriate example. Okay.
Sir, she was Aditi.
अच्छा, अदिति. So इशिता का क्यों आ रहा है यहाँ पे? अदिति वर्मा. अदिति खरे।
सर अदिति खरे।
ओके, वेरी गुड, अदिति। ठीक, अदिति। ओके, एनीवन एल्स? एनीवन एल्स? क्या भाई, आज पहले क्लास में तो बहुत कुछ बोल रहे थे तुम लोग,
सर
ठंडा पड़ गए।
सर अगर बायोफ्यूल यूज करेंगे तो ये पेट्रोल और डीजल वगैरह से pollution कम होगा।
भारत कुमार एस, क्या यूज करेंगे?
सर अगर बायोफ्यूल यूज करेंगे तो पेट्रोल और डीजल से जो पोल्यूशन होता है वो कम हो जाएगा।
नेचुरल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट को करने में क्या होगा, आप बताओ। जैसे इसमें भी तो फॉरेस्ट बचेगा अल्टीमेटली वाटर, फॉरेस्ट, सॉइल, ऑल द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वी हैव टू कनेक्ट देम। जो आप एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं उसको कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो आपको यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई हाउ यू विल सेव और कंजर्व दीज रिसोर्सेज, नेचुरल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट।
Sir,
yeah,
sir, we dig soil, no sir, we dig soil for coal, so that in place of digging coal for our fuel purposes, we can use that biofuel.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एटलीस्ट सॉइल लॉस तो होता ही है जब ओपन कास्ट माइन और अंडरग्राउंड माइनिंग होती है कोल की। दोनों केस में सॉइल लॉस, फर्टिलिटी लॉस होता है। ऊपर जो थिन कवर है सॉइल का वो खत्म कर दिया जाता है। बात बिल्कुल सही है, और इसमें कोई सॉइल लॉस की संभावना ही नहीं है। सोलर में या बायोगैस में, बायोफ्यूल में, इसमें कोई संभावना नहीं कि आपकी सॉइल लॉस हो। सो लेट मी, आई थिंक दिस, हाँ बोलो
सर। बायोफ्यूल में ज्यादातर मीथेन होती है, तो उससे क्या होता है, सिर्फ CO2 और H2 ये दोनों ही रिलीज होगा बर्निंग पे। बाकी कोल में और ज्यादा हार्मफुल गैसेस भी रिलीज होती हैं, नाइट्रोजन और
सल्फर भी है, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड भी है कोल में, नाइट्रोजन के अलावा। बिकॉज इंडियन कोल्स कंस्टिट्यूट सल्फर इन द सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट, देयरफॉर वी आर इंपोर्टिंग कोल फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कोल सबसे अच्छा माना जाता है। So India is importing coal from Australia only due to the reason, हमारे पास कोल बहुत है, but Indian coals contains higher concentration of the sulfur. After combustion of the coal, the release of SO2 is significant into the atmosphere, which is a major cause for the acid rain. Clear? So yes, let me share another PDF and then I will be discussing with you. Screen PDF मैं शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ आपको अभी स्क्रीन, then we will be discussing one by one. I think it is available. Screen is available to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This was released long back. It is very old. Government of India Planning Commission, February 2007. But concept is same, and I am going to discuss the concepts, important points only. Don't worry that सर ने अपलोड कर दिया इतना बड़ा PDF, ऐसा नहीं। मैं आपको वाटर के सेक्टर्स में जैसे दिया हुआ है बहुत सारे चीजें हैं। देखिए द पॉइंट ए इम्पोर्टेंट है यहाँ से। ऐसे दिख रहा है आपको कि हटाऊं मैं, हाईलाइट ना करूं? I should not highlight it, whether it is visible after highlighting or I should like do like this.
Sir, visible.
ऐसे भी विजुअल है, ऐसे भी है ना?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. No need to highlight.
No need to highlight, but I want to highlight because I want to focus only on these points. Therefore, I am categorizing it. ऊपर नीचे नहीं, ठीक है? Undertake scientific and comprehensive assessment of water resources, monitor and evaluate water extraction, storage and use, and enhance income per unit of the water consumed. This is important point which we are lacking related to the program natural resource management. पानी के केस में क्या कह रहा है? An enhanced income per unit of water consumed. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? What do you understand by this? I will upload this PDF, don't worry. Anyone? Enhance income per unit of water consumed. इस concept का क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by this concept or this term? What do you mean? No idea. Means अभी
Sir.
तक हाँ बोलो. Speak.
Sir, like water is used in every industry, so means कम से कम पानी में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा benefit निकाल पाएं.
That is there. That is there. But here it is not related to that. Your point is valid.
Sir, here
per drop more crop. There is a concept slogan per drop more crop. ये तो एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में ऑलरेडी पिछले साल स्लोगन था कि पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप, पानी कम हो लेकिन क्रॉप का यील्ड ज्यादा हो, पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप. और अभी तो है कैच द रेन जो हमने कहा. लेकिन हाँ, समवन वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, इससे रिलेटेड जो हमने हाईलाइट किया है.
Sir, means we get another drop of water, sir. Like, I mean, if we store one drop and we get another drop in a way.
Sir, sir, we can use we can use techniques so that we will use the minimum water, and through use of new scientific techniques we will get the, for example, in irrigation only we will use the minimum water and then the yield will.
Yeah, that is yes. वही मैंने जो आपसे कहा ना, पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप, एक एग्जांपल दिया. इनहांस इनकम पर यूनिट ऑफ वाटर कंज्यूम्ड. जैसे आपने 1 लीटर पानी कहीं यूज किया आज के डेट में, अब ये जमाना ये आए है, मतलब समय ये आना चाहिए, वी शुड इंक्रीज द इनकम बाय यूटिलाइजिंग सेम 1 लीटर ऑफ वाटर. 1 लीटर में यदि हम प्लांट्स में देते हैं तो प्लांट में अगर 1 किलो अनाज पैदा होता है तो उसी 1 लीटर पानी से अब ऐसा टेक्निक होनी चाहिए और इस तरह से वो 1 लीटर यूज होना चाहिए कि उसमें उसका अनाज 2 किलो हो यील्ड. और 2 किलो कैसे होगा? या तो उसका एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म्स या सीड का रिफॉर्म्स हो, या तो एरिया बढ़ जाए. जो आप इरिगेट करते हैं, सपोज दैट 1 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया 1 लीटर से इरिगेट कर रहे हैं, यदि उसी मेथड टेक्नोलॉजी बदल जाए, हम उसी 1 लीटर को यूज करके 2 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया इरिगेट कर दें, तो सर्टेनली यील्ड विल बी मोर, बिकॉज क्रॉप तो सस्टेन कर गई ना 2 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया की, एरिया बढ़ गया एग्रीकल्चर का. क्यों? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और नॉट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enhance income per unit of the water consumed. Prevent, discourage unsustainable use of groundwater resource in critical zones. Means जहाँ पे ज्यादा एक्सप्लॉयटेशन हो रहा है उसको हमको रोकना है. Develop and adopt water use efficient, cost effective and eco-friendly crops, cropping patterns, farming system and technology. I have discussed in nutshell or in brief rather about these agriculture practices, what are the irrigation, micro irrigation techniques to be adopted in the agriculture sectors, and these things I am discussing sector wise, means the water resource, forest I will be discussing like that. Integrate rain, surface and groundwater and promote conjunctive use of poor quality and polluted water. हमको पूरे holistic approach में काम करना. We have to do the work related to the conservation of any resource, water resource, under the natural resource management program in the holistic manner. We cannot live or we cannot think separately about the surface water and groundwater, and we have to use you have to implement the concept of conjunctive use. Conjunction क्या होता है? 2 शब्द को जोड़ना होता है ना, conjunction, to join the 2 different words like and conjunction. उसी तरह से conjunctive use है surface water and ground water का, polluted and non polluted water का कैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं जिससे कि वाटर रिसोर्स पे स्ट्रेस कम आए. इसी तरह से मैं आपको जस्ट दिखा रहा हूँ. फॉरेस्ट के केस में देखिए, जैसे वाटर केस में दिया, फॉरेस्ट के केस में ये पॉइंट्स हैं. द फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन हैज बीन लिंक्ड विथ वन प्रोग्राम, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी योजना, नरेगा जिसको आप कहते हैं, मनरेगा. आपने सुना है कभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपके गांव में सब गांव को बिलोंग करते होंगे. मनरेगा विलेज पंचायत में लेबरर्स को काम दिया जाता है, विलेजर्स को काम दिया जाता है फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द सॉइल एंड फॉर इरिगेशन. पॉन्ड्स का निर्माण करना हो, टैंक का निर्माण करना हो, या यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट द फॉरेस्ट, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को स्ट्रेंथन करना हो विलेज के. सो विलेज के ये सारी चीजें MNREGA से, नरेगा से ज्वाइन कर दिया गया है। ये बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम है कंट्री का, ये नेशनल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत। तो आपको सभी को पता है, और इसमें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड दी funds to the state government, and the certain mandates are necessary for each village under the MNREGA, and the objective is to conserve the forest, soil and water. ये तीन चीज, जल जंगल जमीन जिसको कहते हैं। Then I was discussing this point in the beginning. अब तो टाइम हो रहा है, आज थोड़ा मैं लेट हो गया था क्लास में 10 मिनट, सॉरी फॉर द डिले, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग द सॉरी फॉर इट। दो द वाटरशेड सिस्टम, द ज्वाइंट फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप जो मैंने डिस्कस किया, अब क्या है कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट पे हम आ रहे हैं। अर्लियर दिस पॉइंट वाज डिस्कस द ज्वाइंट फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट concept. Now we are shifting towards the community forest management. I will upload this PDF and I will ensure, और हर्षिता या आपके जो दूसरे उससे बात करूंगा मैं CR से, whether they have received or not. I have already uploaded. Again I will again upload the earlier PDF, 3 PDF and this NRM if I have not uploaded this. And my point is, you just discuss the salient things, just go through the salient things. अब इतना पूरा पढ़े अगर आप या डिस्कस किए तो इसके पूरा नहीं लिखना है आपको। फॉरेस्ट में, लाइव स्टॉक या वाटर के सेक्टर्स में जो पॉइंट है, अब देखिए मेजर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस ऑफ द पास्ट NRM प्रोग्राम्स, इसके आप स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस कहाँ रही है इसको देखना है। आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑल दिस। और ये सब सारे केवल आप अगर हेडिंग देखें और थोड़ा थोड़ा भी पढ़ें तो आप बहुत अच्छा लिख सकते हैं। माई पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज दैट यू डोंट रिमेंबर ऑल द थिंग्स। मेमोराइजेशन के लिए मैं बढ़ावा नहीं देता। आई डोंट मोटिवेट यू, डोंट प्रीफर द मेमोराइजेशन, आई प्रीफर conceptualization. You should have the concept and you write the answer in your own words, own sentences. I don't prefer that whatever the PDF is being uploaded, you memorize it, remember it. ऐसा नहीं संभव है, इतना संभव भी नहीं है, न तो इतना आपको टाइम उस पर ऐसे देना मेमोराइजेशन के लिए। आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए और अपने वर्ड्स में आपको लिखने आना चाहिए, बस दैट्स ऑल। ओके, लेट मी, आई थिंक आपका क्लास भी होगा।
यस सर।
यस
हाँ,
सर।
क्लास हम दूसरे का मिस नहीं करने देंगे। आई वाज लेट ऑलरेडी, तो मैं आपका नुकसान दूसरे क्लास का नहीं होने दूंगा। आई एम डाउनलोडिंग द अटेंडेंस। ओके, इट इज डाउनलोडेड and I leave the class here. Just I will again upload the PDF and I will ask from the CR to ensure or to reply me whether they have received or not. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.